This is Steve again in your house, and so today we'll be talking about verb to be. Verb to be, which is no, we're not talking about verb to be. I've been talking about verb to be all these days. Some of you were not here, but please continue looking the video. You'll find out the verb to be, and we will talk about verb to have. To have, get something. Ndi, ndine, ndine, it's to have something. Ndine means I have. So ndine means I have. So we will say ndine,
Ndine,
I have. Udine,
udine,
you have. Udine, it's just that
udine,
the pronunciation is just, it's written the same way, the pronunciation is different. Udine means you have. Udine means he has or she
That's
has.
technically the same thing.
The same thing, but the pronunciation is different. Do you feel the difference?
Nope.
Let's try to get the difference. When you say udine,
Udine,
udine means you. Udine,
udine,
udine.
udine,
I think there is it is a kind of increase of the intonation.
udine,
Udine means it's you. Udine means somebody else. It's he. Okay? Can you catch that? So we'll catch as we go. So let's go forward. Udine,
udine,
udine.
udine,
So udine it means somebody else. We say he. Udine it means you. Tudine.
tudine,
So we have, and you have is mudine.
mudine,
Then they have is a badine.
badine,
Yes, very good. Now we're gonna put some words there.
Books.
Let's start with dikonde. We have been studying dikonde, makonde, which is the banana. We're gonna start. We all know how to write dikonde. I will just go to ndine dikonde.
dine, indi,
Ndine dikonde.
indi,
Ndine.
indi,
We just repeat ndine many times. Now we're having a hard time. Ndine.
dine.
There is some of you are intended to write
Wait,
to read it
D is in
nendi.
front of the N?
N is there for a reason. I explained last time. If there were no N, you would have said dine. But you say ndine. Ndine. The N is kind of silent in your mouth. Okay? Ndine. Ndine dikonde.
Indine dikonde.
Very good. Udine dikonde. Udine dikonde means you have banana. You have a banana. Udine dikonde. Then udine dikonde.
Undine dikonde.
Tudine makonde.
Tudine dikonde.
Tudine makonde.
Tudine.
If we say tudine makonde means that we have bananas. But if we say tudine dikonde, which means that we have a banana. Okay? But most likely when we are many, we kind of we have a tendency to have bananas, many of them. Okay? So then you have bananas is mudi ne makonde.
Madine dikonde.
Makonde
Makonde.
means bananas. Then badi ne makonde means that they have bananas. Let's go. Badi ne makonde.
Badine dikonde. Makonde.
You're still in dikonde. You don't want to change.
Yeah.
Badi ne makonde means that they have bananas. Okay? We'll return that one. I think we did great. We'll add more. Let's talk about mwembe. I'm not writing anymore because I know you. We know that we have presented mwembe many times. Mwembe is a mango. So ndine mwembe. Udine mwembe. Udine mwembe. Tudine myembe.
Oh, mangoes.
Yeah, mango.
Okay.
Tudine myembe.
Membe.
Mudine myembe. They have you have mangoes. Let's go. Mudi ne myembe.
Moody ne membe.
Badi ne myembe.
Daddy membe.
They have mangoes.
They have mangoes.
That's badi ne mango. Okay, let's try again mango. I feel like you kind of caught what's going on. Let's go. Ndine mwembe. I have a mango.
I have a mango.
Udi ne mwembe
Udi ne mwembe.
means you have a mango.
You have a mango, yeah. I have a mango.
Udi ne mwembe,
Udi ne mwembe.
he has a mango.
He has a mango. I want his mango.
Tudi ne myembe,
Tudi ne mwembe.
we have mangoes.
We all have mangoes, yeah. We have mangoes.
Mudi ne myembe,
Moody ne mwembe.
you have mangoes.
Mangoes. You have mangoes.
Badi ne myembe,
Baddy ne mwembe.
they have mangoes.
They have mangoes.
Very good. So, what else can we present here? Let's talk about meno. Oh, let's talk about dibuku.
Oh.
Dibuku means books, a book. So, let's say that's what we have over here, dibuku. So, let's say ndi ne dibuku.
Di ne dibuku.
Udi ne dibuku
Udi
means you have a book. Udi ne dibuku.
Di ne.
He has a book.
He has a book. Yeah.
Tudi ne mabuku.
Tudi ne. When you get to
We have books.
we have books. I was about to say we have books.
Mudi ne mabuku.
Moody.
You have books.
You have books.
Badi ne mabuku.
Badi ne.
They have books.
Yes, I got it. Mhm.
All right, we did great that one. Curiously, I don't know because you like the word buku, or it's just like that word comes straight from book. Huh?
Yeah.
You don't you feel that way? I feel that way. Something else we can say. Let's talk about
Wait, Udi?
teeth. Okay.
I want to talk about Udi and like Udi. I don't know.
Udi?
Udi, like he has, he has, and Udi, you have, or something.
Udi, ndi, it means me, I am. Ndine buku, ndine dibuku means I have a book. Now, udi ne dibuku, you have a book. Udi ne dibuku. Udi, it's really different. Don't you feel the difference?
No, I can't feel different.
Udi, listen to me. Udi ne dibuku. Udi ne dibuku.
Udi.
Yeah.
So it's Udi instead of. So Udi is he has a book, like, or she has a book. So
Udi means you have a book. Udi ne dibuku. Udi ne dibuku. I think there is we emphasize on the u. Udi ne dibuku. He has
like
a book.
another, almost like a half an O. Like
I think the emphasis it's on the u. Udi ne dibuku means that he has a book. Okay, it's different. Udi ne dibuku. Udi ne dibuku. It's really sound completely different. Okay, and let's go talk about ndine dino. We talk about a baby, for instance, a baby saying ndine dino because the babies don't have teeth and they start the teeth are growing, so and they come up in their mouth and they can say we have teeth. Let's talk about teeth. I would like to repeat what we already talked about, which is the best way of learning, I think. And dine dino. Dino means a tooth.
Dino.
Isn't
I
it?
smell like a tooth.
One tooth. And many of them, it's meno.
Meno.
Isn't it true? Look, it's under the foot now. We're talking about it, but they put it under the tooth. Yeah. Can I see?
The paper.
Upside down.
Upside down. Dine dino.
Dine dino.
Udine dino.
Udine dino.
Udine dino.
Udine.
Tudine meno.
Udine meno.
Mudine meno.
Udine. We have teeth.
You have to. You have to.
Yeah, we have
Okay.
teeth.
Badine meno.
Badine.
They have
They
teeth.
have teeth on
Yeah.
me, eh?
Mhm.
You beat me to it.
Okay. And ndi. Let's go another one. Ndine nywele.
Indinuele.
I have hair.
Oh, hair.
Ndine nywele.
Indinuele.
Udine nywele. You have hair.
There.
Udine nywele.
He
She
has
has hair, or he has hair. And
Oh, not he.
tudine nywele.
We have hair.
Tudine nywele.
Tudine.
We have hair. Okay? Mudine nywele.
Mudine.
They have, you have hair. They have hair means what? Badine nywele. Badine nywele. Are you here with me?
Yeah.
They have hair.
They
Huh?
have hair.
What else can we say what we learn?
Well, my favorite part of this was saying, like, to translate what you said, like, badine, ne, like, I don't know, dikonde,
Uh-huh.
like, badi ne makonde.
Mm-hmm.
Like, I like saying after you, like, what it means in English. They have bananas.
Yeah, that's
Exactly.
what I like too. It's
Yeah.
really fun actually.
Mhm.
Then you're gonna retain only English. You have to repeat what is said in Kiluba. Huh?
It's fun to know what
Who
to
else has something to say on everything we learned today?
Because I like how we guessed the words, and it was
Actually,
it was actually kind of hard for me.
It actually
it?
actually helps to like to
It
know
actually
like
kinda
which
helps.
words like in
Mm.
English match which words, like baddie, like they, ne, have, and then
Name
Dikonde.
means, yeah, have.
dikonde
challenging.
banana,
It was
makonde bananas.
Exactly.
kind of
And the
challenging.
buku told you something. Di buku means one book. Ndine di buku. Badine mabuku. And they have books. Hmm? What about you? What do you have? Except resting.
Dino, meno. Dino means tooth, and meno means teeth.
Well, that's not what the topic today. The topic was the verb to have. And we talk about men, of course. We said that to dine men, we have teeth. That's what the baby can say when the teeth are growing, okay? And appearing in the mouth. We can talk about something else, and I think we learned enough for this topic. It took long. It's almost 15 minutes, so we probably need to stop there. And then we'll talk about a proverb very quick. I'll be very short with the proverb today. Okay?